If you are trying to grow on TikTok without understanding the algorithm, you are literally throwing away hours of work. You will be crushed by people who know these pretty simple tricks that I'm about to show you. In this video, I'm going to reveal the exact system that I use to grow TikTok accounts from 0 to 1,000 followers in under 30 days. My most recent account hit 4,200 followers in just 8 days. I'll break down what to post, when to post it, and the secrets that will turn viewers into followers, allowing you to grow your accounts to that 1,000 follower mark quickly. But first, you're gonna need to understand that growing on TikTok happens in distinct phases, and the strategy that you need to use will depend on what phase you're in. The foundation phase, the growth phase, optimization phase, and the multiplication phase. I know that might sound like a lot, but don't worry. I'll be going through what each phase is and what steps you need to be taking. You might want to grab a notebook for this one. When you first start posting on TikTok, or any platform really, what you're doing is giving it a piece of content. The algorithm's only job is to put that content in front of somebody who would enjoy it. That being said, here's what most people don't understand. When you first start posting, TikTok has no idea what type of audience is going to enjoy your content. So it has to test. It does that by measuring your video's performance with a small group of people. TikTok will normally push your first few videos out to anywhere between 200 and 1,000 people. Then it will measure these 3 things: engagement rate, which is just likes, comments, shares; watch time, being how long does somebody watch; and follow through rate. Do they click on your profile and potentially check out some of your other videos? That's the easy stuff. Now we're getting to the part where most creators will mess up, so make sure you listen closely. The type of content you create is crucial for growth. Let me explain using a pretty simple example. If you make a video about a cute puppy that gets good engagement, good watch time, and pushes viewers to check out your profile, it might go viral. However, if you make a video about how to properly clean a dog's ears, and it gets a similar amount of engagement and watch time in comparison to the puppy video, it may go viral, but there's a good chance it likely won't go as viral. And the reason for that is because a lot less people are interested in how to clean a dog's ears in comparison to a cute puppy. That's because when making content, you need to find a balance. Your video needs broad appeal, so it can be enjoyed by many different people. But it also needs to fall into a specific niche, so the algorithm can find the right viewers. Let's move into the phase where we now turn these viewers into followers. Whenever I make a new TikTok page, before I even think about recording, I research. This is such a crucial stage that so many beginners just overlook, which causes them to say things like, "I'm stuck in 200 view jail," or "the algorithm hates me." If you ever find yourself saying any of these things, stop coping. The algorithm does not care about you. It cares about putting the right type of content in front of the right type of people. In order to ensure that you make the right type of content so it'll get shown to the people you want to see it, you have to research properly. The best way to research is to simply consume content. You start as a consumer and then you turn into a creator. It's just about impossible to succeed in creating content if you haven't consumed any content first. How could you ever expect yourself to know what your target audience wants if you haven't put yourself in their shoes? Now comes my favorite part: turning one piece of content into multiple viral ones. This is what separates creators who have tens of thousands of followers to those who can't seem to even get a viral video. Now, if you followed everything so far, you're probably thinking, okay, now I get it, but how do I make sure I'm not spending hours creating content that doesn't work? Every single time I create a piece of content, I don't just make one video and hope it works. I instead use the 5X method. Here's exactly how it works. First, I take one solid piece of content. Let's say it's a video on some advice on how to get more followers. Instead of just posting it once and moving on, I'll create 5 different versions of that one piece of content. I'm not just copy and pasting. Since the content I'm recreating is already viral, those 5 versions will all have something slightly different about them. For example, in one of them, I might use a different hook. One, I might make the script a little bit shorter, and another one, I might make it a bit longer. And through small variations and changes like that, I'll be able to test a lot of different potential winners. What I'm trying to do is test different variations of the same piece of content. And in doing so, this will give me the best chance of going viral and then finding a winning style of content. Make sure the content you're taking inspiration from has already went viral. I'm strategically changing 3 main things, because if person A and B both like puppy videos, they might like different styles or types of puppy videos. Person A might like just really cute ones, and person B might like funny ones. So while they are still in the same niche, they're different members of that niche. So I'll do different styles. Sometimes I'm energetic, other times I'm very calm. And something important to note, you have to match your tone of voice to the energy you're trying to give off. Just by the tone of my voice, the viewer will already be feeling energetic or serious. Let me show you a real example. Last month, one of my creators had a video about men's health that got a couple thousand views. Instead of just moving on to the next topic, he recreated, and one of those recreation variations got over 2 million views. And since it was on TikTok Shop, you know he made some good money. It was the exact same information, just packaged a little bit different. The key is to keep all of your variations linking back to your main content theme. Think of it like different paths leading to the same destination. Some take the scenic route, others take the highway, but in the end, they all end up following you. And here's something that not many of the TikTok gurus will tell you. When you post multiple different variations, TikTok's algorithm actually gets better at understanding you. It's like giving the algorithm more data to work with. Now, getting your first 1,000 followers is pretty easy, but to truly explode your growth, you need to master one simple strategy that I use every single time to go viral and get thousands of followers. Good news, I cover all of that in my next video, which you can find right here.